dirty. And if you say that is dirty, you should see this side. So will you help me fix my clothes and my closet? Then let's get started. Here I have a donation box. You can see my donation box. If I don't have any clothes that don't fit me, I can put it in the donation box. So let's get started. Here are some clothes I have. I'm just gonna put it on top of the donation box, and then I'm gonna sort it out. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, I also have this red box, which is for diamonds and, earrings. And here's my room bed box. I'm gonna shove it right there. Ooh, and my belt. It's really my favorite. So I'm just gonna put them over here. And some more pants and skirts over here. So see? And some more undergarments and some socks. I'll put them over there. And my school ID card. So, and over here it's super dirty. I need to clean it. It's like I just need to. Here's a little box. Here's some more. And ooh, my wool sweater. I guess I'm gonna get the junk. I'm going to fix them later. I'm just putting them around my closet. Some more underwears, and undergarments. Oh, and these are my little beautiful golden, golden clips. More clothes. Put them there. Some more. Oh, and this is one of my clothes. And this is my school bag belt. I'm going to put that there. Oh, and here on the up, I have my lip gloss. There. My ornaments holder. Drawer. Oh, and this is my album from Hannah Montana the movie. If you ever seen the Hannah Montana movie, you can see it's from Disney. See? These are me. I'm so cute. Oh, and this juice place where they hand out free juice. Aw, and this is my little brother, Yunus. Whoop, where did he go? Yep, here he is. And with my uncle, not currently my uncle, but my grandmother's son. And here's my dad, my mom, and my little brother. Oh, and this is the blue mosque because I'm a Muslim. And this is me, my brother, and my sister. Okay, I'll show these a bit later. Right now we got a closet to organize. Here I have all my clothes. Some of them are my party wear and some of them are my house clothes. And I also divided them by color. You can take a look. And over here, I have some more party wear clothes, my winter clothes, and some house clothes too, like t-shirts and stuff like that. Here, I'm organizing and folding my clothes. Then I'm going to take my clothes and put them in my closet. Here are my ornaments, and oh, I almost forgot to mention this. This is from like Venice. It's a tradition back there. And then I have this room band box. It's very cute. It says also, it's all about the bands. And then over here is my nail polish box. And before that, we're gonna show you my earring box here. It's a little bit less organized because I didn't have time. And over here is my hard box, which I got as a gift from my hero. If you see my other video, you can see her. It's a gift from her when we went to Bangkok, like Thailand. And over here, not to forget, my nail polish box. Here, my nail polish box. Here I painted them with all the colors I have in my nail polish. You can take a look here. Let me just unlock them. See? I even have a place where you can decorate your nails, but I don't really use that much because it's a little bit dangerous. And then I am going to show you my ornaments drawer holder. My ornaments drawer holder. Oops, it's gonna take a long time to get out. Yes. Right here, I have my lip gloss here, my goggles here, and also my watch here. And over here, you can see this holy bowl, which if you put water and you drink it, it'll make you like, if you're sick and if you drink it, it'll make you well in no time. It's a gift from my auntie, who's my grandmother. I love her very much. I put my shoes, I put them organizedly for this video. So you can take a look here. I have my Nike outside shoes here, and my piggy bank, and my balcony shoes, and rooftop shoes. And over here is my school shoes, and this is my everyday outside shoes. So here you can see again. Oh, and here's just the cap of the box right there. Organizing my closets, you can take a look. Here I put some of my school clothes, my backpacks, my other clothes, and here are some of my winter clothes and party wear clothes. And then over here I have my outfits, regular outfits, and some party wear shirts like that, and some house shirts too. And here are filled with boxes, ornaments, like that. So it's also beautiful too. But over here I have this pretty rack which my mom helped me put it with my bands here. You can see. So this is how I organize my closets. And this is the end of my video, but if you want to see more of my video, subscribe and hit the like button to see more of Fabi and Yunus. Bye!